What's up, everybody? Pedro here. Today we're going to be tasting the beer that I bottled about 3 weeks ago. Coming up in just a minute. Okay, well, here we have it. The Imperial Nut Brown. Let's see. This is without a doubt the darkest homebrew I've ever done. Look at that. It actually looks really good. It's so dark you can't even see the Omaha Brewing logo on the front of the glass. It smells good. It smells rich. Man. That is without a doubt the best homebrew that I've ever made. Tastes along the lines of a Guinness. Almost has a slight charcoal taste to it. It actually tastes really good. This is without a doubt the best homebrew that I've ever made. I will definitely brew this one again. I'd like to try just a recipe from scratch. If any of you guys out there have a recipe you'd like me to try, please put it in the comments below or send it to me via email, thomas1008@comcast.net. That's in my bio, plus I'll put that in the description below. I will definitely do that again. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, please hit the like button. And if you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing. Hope you enjoyed the video. Sassy Pants is going to be bringing us a few cocktail recipes and another appetizer recipe as well. My closest friends know that Sassy is the one that gave me my nickname Pedro. So tune in next week and we'll reveal how I got my nickname. Until next time, y'all take care.